Okay, we are going to go ahead with screen 5. Hopefully you're on slide 5 with me. I would like you to do this with me as we go through it together. It says solve the number story and draw a sketch, which is like a drawing, to show your thinking. Write a division number model for the story. So when we think about division, we think about sharing. So these are going to be number stories that we are going to share. So think about this. A class of 30 children wants to play ball. How many teams can be made with exactly 6 children on each team? So first of all, we're going to think, okay, we've got to take 30 and share it with 6. So we're going to make a drawing, because they want us to make sketches of 6, 1. There's different ways of doing this. You could draw 30 sticks or people and then just kind of clump them into 6 and then find out how many teams that would be. Or you could share like this. This is another. There's always different ways to do it. This is the way I'm choosing to do it. So when I think of division, I think of sharing. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to share 30. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to keep going till I get to 30. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So how many sticks did I put in each circle? There are 5. So your answer is 5. So 30 can be divided into 6 5 times. So is there any leftovers, or is it exactly 30? It is exactly 30. So we're going to put 0 children left over. So our number model is 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And remember, when we have anything left over, we call it a remainder. So for this one, our remainder is 0. We have nothing left over. So it's remainder 0. That is how we would put our number model. Okay, now we're going to the next screen. Okay, solve the number story and draw a sketch to show your thinking. For another game, the same class of 30 children wants to have exactly 4 children on each team. How many teams can be made? So now we have 30 into 4. So let's see how many we can do. We're going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to see how much we can share with the 30 children. See how many teams. If we can get all the kids in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to keep going until we get to 30. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, we are at 28. If I give everybody one more, that would be 29, 30, 31, 32. That would be past 30. So we've got 28. I can't get everybody equally the same amount anymore. I have 28 in there, 28, and two more would be 30, and I can't give everybody the same amount. So right now I can give everybody the same amount, and that would be 5, 6, 7. 7 teams. And that would bring us to 28, but we have 30 children. So how many children are left over? We have 2 kids that can't go into teams equally. So we call it, this is how we do it. We say 30 divided by 4. So we divided them into 4 equally. We were able to get 7 into each team equally, but we have a remainder because there was some left over. So the remainder was 2 children. So that is how we do remainders. And we're going to go on to one more screen. Go ahead and go with me, because after this, you're going to do the home link by yourself. So here it is. Roberto has 25 pencils to share equally. Share. There's your clue word. I always like to point out clue words. When you see the word share equally, that tells you you're probably dividing. So among 3 pencil boxes, how many pencil boxes does he put in each box? So here we go. We've got 3 pencil boxes. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. And he's dividing 25. So we're going to count 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, this is kind of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now we're going to try to go to 25. Right now we're at 24. And I only need one more to get to 25, and I have 3, and I couldn't do all 3 of them. I'd go past 25. So I know that that's all I can do equally. So how many in each one equally? There are 8 equally. How many left over? At 8, we are at 24, but one more makes 25. So we have 1 pencil left over. So our number model is 25 divided by, and there's our little dots, 3 equals 8 with a remainder of 1, because we can't get the rest of it in there equally. We can get 8 in there equally, but then we have 24, and it takes one more to get to 25, so that means we have 1 left over pencil. That is how you do this. Now I'd like you to go to home link and do this on your own.